Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you post on Bereal app. So at first, make sure that you already have an account in Bereal app, and if you already have an account, just go to the Bereal app. Now in the Bereal app, you cannot post more than once in one day. So just click on this Take Your Bereal option. Now just select the camera to take your Bereal. Now just click on the bottom send option. Here you can see the Bereal is successfully posted. So guys, that's how you can post on Bereal app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.